and welcome to today's program of gratitude jars. If you picked up a kit from Carnegie, you should have a mason jar, some tissue paper, a paintbrush, a cup of Mod Podge, and this little topper. So today's program of gratitude jars is part of the Project Self-Care. So remember, you are worthy of being happy and healthy. So let's be grateful and make a project together today. Okay, so for today's program, we're gonna take our mason jar, and I'm gonna take the top off for now. And I'm gonna use the tissue paper, and we are going to Mod Podge it on to decorate our jar. You can use scissors to cut shapes out of the tissue paper and add that on, or you can just rip the tissue paper and put it on. Make sure to be as creative as you would like. So let's get started. You're going to take your paintbrush and dip it into the Mod Podge and paint some onto your jar. Then you're gonna take your piece of tissue paper and push it on, and add a little bit of Mod Podge on top to make sure that it sticks. And we're gonna continue to do that until our whole jar is decorated. So I'm gonna let both of these dry for a few hours so that the Mod Podge has time to set. So as each day goes, you're going to write something that you're grateful for and put it into your jar. After a few weeks, the jar will get very full and you'll be able to read everything that you were grateful for in the last few weeks. Do you want to share something that you're grateful for? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear them. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, be grateful.